Hello, my loves! It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be working on my journal, which is a horizontal planner, and I don't really do that very often, but I decided that it might be a good idea to do this time. So we are going to be prepping my journal for the week of November 16th through the 22nd. I used my own stickers and I printed a huge pumpkin, which is going to go in the center of the page just like you see. And while I do this, I wanted to say thank you if you are stopping by for the first time, and if you like videos like this with planner and decorating, please consider subscribing. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. I am so grateful for you being here. Okay, so I cut out a small piece of that label paper and I'm going to cover up that word of the week. I don't like that. I don't really use it with the intention that they intended, so I usually just cover it up, which is not a big deal. And the way I do it, I cut the box pretty close but a little bit bigger than it's supposed to be, and I cut it around the edges and done. Okay, so we have my big pumpkin, and then I'm gonna be using Homebody Seasons, and it has this beautiful fall motif in there with a lot of fallish stickers that I like. So I thought I finally will kind of get into that book. So I just put in a little box that I can journal in about whatever I want, or even use it as whatever I feel like. So, and I put your heart into it, and I put a green pumpkin. I am going to put this box with pumpkins so I can journal in there, and then I'm gonna put welcome autumn in another corner. And then as far as corners go, I think that'll be it. And whenever a sticker doesn't fit like this, you can always cut it. Look at that. All good. See that? And now the date is not covered. And now I'm gonna use some of these beautiful pumpkins, and I'm gonna put them all around the page, and we'll go from there. So these are clear, so you have to be careful if you have very harsh lines. They are going to show through, especially on the lighter ones. But what I'm gonna do right now is just grab a whole bunch of different ones, and then once I do it, I'm gonna spread them all around the page. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna be doing, and then once that's done, I'll go ahead and add a few more things, and it'll be prepped for me to be able to journal every day of the week this week. So my horizontal planner is ending in December. This is the Sugar and Type planner, and I really love it, but I'm not sure if I should continue with horizontal, or because I'm so comfortable with the vertical, maybe I should start journaling in the vertical, which I don't think that would be a terrible idea. So let me know what you guys think. How do you journal? I normally journal in horizontal lines, but I don't think it would be terrible to do it in kind of like a memory keeping style. So I haven't decided yet. I have both. I actually have two more planners than I need, so I'm gonna figure out what to do. I'm kind of in a process of deciding what my planner should be. All I know is that my budget is pretty much set. It's going to be the monthly florals. It's a monthly planner, and then my social media stays the same. It's going to be the new day planner. And then I still want to continue with the wild style planner. I think it's gorgeous. And other than that, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I have quite a few planners, but there will be another video pretty soon. Okay. And you can use scraps just like I did as well. You can just put them wherever you feel like it. Okay, so now I need to punch this, and once I do, we will be all set. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you could leave a comment, that would help me a lot too. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me. If you guys want to decorate with my journal like this in the future, leave me a comment. I don't mind doing those videos at all. I just normally don't do them because I don't want to overwhelm you guys with so many videos. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me.